Hello friends, it is Running Kimono and we have yet another double dip deal over at Walgreens. So if you can head over there, I would do this deal sooner than later. I tested this out around 9 a.m. and it worked beautifully for me. Shout out to Champs88 over on Instagram. This is in fact her deal and it works perfectly. So we're going to be grabbing 3 of the Oral-B Gloss Picks with the Scope additive or flavor, whatever you want to call it. So 3 of these, they are $4 a pop. And they are the 75 counters as well. Here is the UPC if you want to grab a screenshot of it. I know that a lot of you really love to be super specific. So here is the UPC for these. So the $4 a pop, we're grabbing 3 of them. So that is $12. And for whatever reason, not a whole lot of this in the store, so they don't really stock up on it, or my store, everybody buys them, but we're grabbing 3 of these. Now, the digital coupon that we're going to utilize for this deal is a 6 off of 3. This showed up a couple weeks back, but it is in fact attaching to these Flosser Picks or whatever you want to call them. A great thing to always have in your stockpile. So looking at the mathematics for this deal, 3 of these guys at $4 a pop is 12 on the nose. So 3 times 4 equals 12. Subtracting that 6 off of 3 digital, you're left with paying 6 out of pocket. And then we have the double dip of register rewards that are printing. You get both a store and a manufacturer register reward. I'll show you that here in a second. So it basically makes this free plus a $4 money maker. If you wish to use your Walgreens cash to pay down your balance, absolutely go for it. Now, just to give you a quick peek, this is the receipt. So $12. I'm subtracting that 6 off of 3. So my subtotal is 6. I utilized $5 in Walgreens cash. So I paid $1.72 and then got back 10. And these are the register rewards. The top one is the manufacturer and the bottom one is the store coupon. So, again, I would do this sooner than later because I have the sneakiest suspicion, because this is such a hot offer, it's going to get cleared quickly. If you wanted to even, do this as a curbside pickup, walk into the store so there is no goofy business where the register rewards are not printing. Like, be on top of this one because, a $4 money maker and to get these items for free, it's totally what it's about. Okay guys, now if you missed it, I made a video a couple days back about this double dip. These products were $3 a piece, so 4 of them is 12. Subtracting 8, it was like a weird coupon, like $6.50 off of 4. It shaked it out to a $4.50 moneymaker. I'll link the video with all the particulars at the very end if you want to check it out. My understanding is this is still working. And the devil is really in the detail because there's a million toothbrushes that all look identical. You want 4 of them that say vivid whitening. So it could be the soft or medium brushes. Look for them in the regular dental care aisle or on an end cap, because sometimes they'll pull a bunch of stuff and say, hey, here's the hot deals for the week. Check it out. That's where you might find it. So devil is in the details. I know a lot of you did mess this up, or, things just didn't go perfectly. And I looked at your hauls, and for whatever reason, you would put in a different one because the vivid whitening, there's other things written like, one is for gums, one is for this, one is for that, one is for antibacterial toothbrushing, all weird stuff. But you really need this one for it to trigger and work. And I think this is working with the weekly deal, which is buy 3, get back 5. And then another promotion, which is to buy 10, get back 5. So one is a store and one is a manufacturer register reward. So that's why there's two promotions and 2 little pieces of magic. So with those Flosser Picks, I would go do that ASAP, especially if you use it or have somebody that uses them. It's just a terrific thing, like $4 moneymaker for that. Unheard of. Good luck with this one, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.